Alright, let's go over this. Brenda, what should I put here? Brenda, look there. Positive or negative infinity?
Negative.
Here?
Positive.
Which direction should I put here, Charlotte? Left to right. Jackie, what should I put down here on this arrow? It is the y-axis, so am I going to put a positive or negative infinity? And up here. What should I put here, Damien? So top here, but you're going to start at the bottom. Alright, Liz, help us find the inequality. Let's do interval notation first. If I go from left to right, Liz, I start at the arrow. What is that? Negative infinity. And as I keep traveling along, going from left to right, the last thing I stop at is this arrow. What is that one? Positive infinity. Liz, which symbols do I use on the left and the right? Remember, with infinity, you always use parentheses. Raise your hand if you got that. Good. Michael, what numbers can you pick between here? Yeah, you could pick any number, all real numbers. Raise your hand if you got that. Some of you are like, is that always the case? Well, think about your arrows. Think about some patterns. Let's go ahead and do the range for the interval notation. Taylor, which direction should I start at for the range? Tell me when to stop. What number am I stopping at? A -3 or a -5? Yeah. Remember, we're focusing on which axis? The y-axis. So she says, that's the first thing I touch on my graph. That's a -5. Taylor, parentheses or bracket? Why is it a bracket? Yeah, remember, any point on here is a closed circle. What's the last thing I'm going to touch on my graph, Taylor? And what does that mean? Raise your hand if you got that. Oscar, when I talk about the range, which variable are you talking about? X or the Y?
The Y.
Oscar, when I go from bottom to top and we started here, what number are we focusing on? -3 or -5? -5 is the Y variable. Did you guys see that it matches over here? Oscar, on the green here, what's happening to the numbers as I go up? The numbers are getting bigger or increasing. What inequality is that? Greater than or equal to, because it's a closed circle, you're including that as your answer. Okay?